too, when we take the deck off of this beautiful tree thing, it can pop a willy maker. It runs nice and smooth, but trust me, when you put your foot on the clutch, it will jump. Now, if you can hear me, the reason it's so loud is because it doesn't even have a muffler on it. Well, it has a muffler, but the thing is, the welding on it is broke off on it. So it just tears the pipe, so it's extremely loud. This thing is a beast, I'll tell you that right now. And soon I'll get my Stromers running, and trust me, you'll see a little bit of that too on video, so. So, like and subscribe, you know. Just saying, like and subscribe. We're gonna be doing more work on it, like taking the deck off and stuff. So yeah. Still quick. I love it. This tractor's all stock, all points of stock, no pulley swaps or nothing, and this thing is loud as, it's extremely loud, that's all I can say. Oh, he's gonna take it, oh no, I thought he was gonna take through the ditch, guys. So, like and subscribe. Probably like the fourth time I said it, but yeah. As you see, Austin loves this tractor a little bit too much. No, don't do that, just don't. Hey! You should try driving through the ditch right there. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. This is probably all we're going to be doing is for this video is riding the new John Deere around. So, yeah, like and subscribe if you want. Saved by the John Deere. We'll make another video of it later.